Hi and welcome back. My name is Yogini. Today is day 6 of the 30-day video challenge. To know what this video challenge is about, please check the description. It has the link with the details of this video challenge, the 30-day video challenge. And since this platform, this channel is about sharing creative vibes, we will be doing easy ink art, an ink drawing today. It's a very easy one and a fun one. For that, I'm using an ink pen. You can use any pen. Just make sure it's not a quick drying. It's not a pen with quick drying ink or a ballpoint pen, because ballpoint pens also have thick ink. We need a pen which has free flowing ink, if that makes sense. But you will see as I show you the this ink drawing, as we go ahead and do this ink drawing together. Let me just turn the camera so I can show you my doodle pad. Just a minute. Okay, so that is my doodle pad, and on which I'll be doing this ink drawing. I currently have a black ink in my pen, but if you have a green ink pen, this drawing will look really nice, because I'm going to draw some bamboo shoots, right? Let's just start. What I'm doing here is I will just draw a line, and then I will just a moment, yeah, and then I will just spread it with my finger in one direction, like that. If you can see that, yeah. And because bamboo shoots are normally pretty straight up, so I'm also drawing something like that. Yeah, and then I will also draw some leaves the same way. I will put a mark with the ink pen, and then I will just spread it with my finger. Okay, and I'll also add some leaves on the top. Okay, your fingers will get a little messy, but that's okay. You can just wash it off later. I'll draw this one at a slight angle. And this is just a loose drawing, so don't worry about the details. It's just a fun drawing. This video is going to be a little longer one, but you can just draw along. Well, that's it. That is, if that looks like a bamboo shoot. Yeah, I think it does. I think it would look pretty with a green pen. But this looks nice. Yeah. All right, so this is about today's video, and I will see you tomorrow. Bye and happy weekend.